start in the shower, and in order to have the kind of amazing hair and skin you want, you've got to make sure the water you're using is healthy or safe. So it's absolutely key to know whether or not your faucet is spouting out hot water, which has a high mineral content that forms when water trickles through the deposits of limestone and chalk. The harder the water, the more navigated. That means less pliable hair, faster fading color, and dryness.
Then for filtered shower heads, which those specialized filtration systems that cut out all those gross excess minerals and coloring, the result, hair and skin that is softer, shinier, and more moisturized. Who doesn't want that? So today I'm going to introduce this shower head filter to everyone, and then now I'm going to install it. Here I'm going to show everyone how to quickly install the shower filter, and here's what we may need: a wrench for older shower head, and the Teflon tape. It actually comes with it, and also it comes with an extra filter cartridge. This thing can last for about 12 months. Now let's get it
On the
started.
shower filter and our faucet, I turn the water on to flush out excess carbon particles from the filter. This may turn the water gray for the first few seconds, flushing for 20 seconds. Turn the shower head over, flush the other direction. The existing shower head from the shower arm by turning counterclockwise. This can easily done by hand, but you may need a wrench if your old shower head is on too tight. Use your fingertips, peel away the old Teflon tape and clean the threaded pipe. Put the Teflon tape tightly around the threads of your shower filter and the shower arm. 5 to 8 full turns around the thread is sufficient to provide coverage. Place a new shower filter on the shower arm and turn clockwise to tighten by hand.